I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy and excited you're here because today I am participating in the Mother's Day Tea Party collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Gray's Life DIY Home Decor, Jean, Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. All other participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. The first thing I'm going to do is get my flower arrangement ready for the Mother's Day tea party today. I have a glass flower vase and I have these beautiful wildflowers with little pink buds on the end. They look so real, and some white flowers. I'm also going to be putting these with daisies. My theme for the Mother's Day tea party today is blue, white, and pink. So I'm going to take this beautiful blue ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it around the flowers. And then I'll put it in the vase just like this. This beautiful blue and white ribbon will conceal all of the stems inside of the vase. Just drop it right down in, just like this. For my blue, pink, and white theme, I'm adding this lovely pink tablecloth with white checks, and it has a beautiful, delicate little fringe on the edge. I'm going to use these lovely white plates, and they'll serve as chargers for our tea today. I'm going to be making some little finger sandwiches, and these beautiful plates will be just perfect for the little sandwiches today. I'm going to be using this cake stand with the blue and pink and white to go with our theme today. This cake stand will be absolutely perfect for our little tea sandwiches and our cookies. We are all set for our Mother's Day tea. I just need to add the flowers in, and we're all ready. Everything is so beautiful in pink, white, and blue. My friend and I are going to have so much fun talking and visiting this afternoon as we eat our tea sandwiches and our cookies. I really enjoyed participating in this really fun collaboration. Be sure to check out all participating channels and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy Mother's Day!